Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be going over how to get more views on YouTube by leveraging these 5 things, right? So here it is, how to get more views on YouTube by leveraging these 5 things. So if you don't know who I am, my name is Corres and I help people grow with YouTube automation or cash cow channels. So if you haven't already, feel free to join my free Facebook group where I help people on there, and also sign up for my free webinar training where I go over my 10 ways to go viral on YouTube. It's absolutely free. You've got nothing to lose. So let's get started with this video. So first off, the purpose. So I want to introduce to you such a key concept that's going to be very essential with your journey as a YouTuber. It's going to help you succeed on YouTube. And this key concept, you don't want to miss it. And here it is, okay? So it starts with understanding that every single YouTuber is always after new views, right? And there's nothing wrong with that. We always want views. However, we have that common misconception and don't really think about that, how new views, this means that they want as many new viewers watching their videos, right? And again, there's nothing wrong with that. But at the same time, this is what I'm calling new views, right? However, imagine if one individual watched more than just one of your videos. Sorry, this is supposed to say videos. Dang it. There you go. This is supposed to say videos. So imagine if one individual watched more than just one of your videos. So one individual no longer equals just one view, right? So are you following along with me what the purpose is in terms of, I'm going to show you how to leverage 5 things so that one individual no longer equates to just one view. One individual can equal 2, 3, 5, 10, 20 views. And again, this just comes from one individual. Imagine if every single new viewer that you got, imagine if they all watched 2 of your videos, 5 of your videos, 20 of your videos. That one individual no longer equates to just one view. That one individual equates to 2 views, 3 views. I mean, this is such a key concept to understand. So again, the key concept to understand is putting people in view loops within your own channel. I think you've possibly heard of the concept before in view loops, and I'm going to teach you how to do it. So keep watching especially to the end of this video, because you don't want to miss it. But think about how many times have you come across a YouTube channel and watched multiple videos from the same creator. This is view loops. View loops are super, super important when it comes to YouTube. So this concept is very underutilized among small and new YouTubers. So understand this concept well. View loops means putting a single individual into a view loop, which I'm going to be going over later in this video, so that one individual no longer just equals one view. One individual equates to 2, 3, 20, as many views as possible, so that you get more views on YouTube. So really think about the fact that it's a lot harder to get a new viewer than it is to just put that viewer down a view loop, or what some people call down like a rabbit hole. So let's get started with what I'm about to show you in terms of how to put people into view loops on YouTube. So here we have my personal channel, and there's 5 ways to put people in view loops that is very underutilized. So if you're not doing this for your channel yet, I recommend that you do so. So way number 1 is to first really take the time to edit your homepage. So let me refresh this. So way number 1 to put people in view loops. Okay, so here's the kind of strategy or the kind of view path that people follow. They watch one of your videos, they click on your channel, and they land on your homepage, which looks like this. Okay, so this is an example homepage. This is my homepage. But again, so to start from the beginning, to put people in view loops, start with editing your homepage first, because when someone watches one of your videos and then they click on your channel name, which happens often, right? If they like a video that you've created, they're going to see, oh, let me see who this individual is about. And they scroll down. You want to show very relatable videos that'll get them to click on another video, because again, regarding back to the purpose of understanding people's or understanding view loops, you want a single individual to watch as many videos as possible. So by editing a clean, captivating or visual homepage, you'll turn that one individual to hopefully watch one of these videos on your homepage. That's why I really recommend that people don't cut themselves short when it comes to editing their homepage. Every time I land on a channel homepage and all I see is recent uploads and popular uploads, which are the default homepage settings, it's not a bad thing, but I feel like it can be utilized better, right? And so what I did for my channel is that I created playlists and I displayed them so that people who land on my channel homepage are hopefully interested in one of these videos that I display to them. So leverage number one is really taking the time to edit your YouTube channel homepage, right? So now leverage number two is playlists. So with playlists, what people often do is that they just add a bunch of videos into a playlist. So be very particular of how you do playlists. And I kid you not, if you do this one thing and think logically in terms of, okay, if someone watches this video, what video will they want to watch next? If you start thinking of your YouTube channel like that, playlists will be much more effective. I kid you not. So in terms of how playlists should be organized, the very first video should be a video that's currently in the algorithm. So what I mean by in the algorithm is that if you click on analytics, you can see that this video here, if I were starting a cash cow YouTube channel into 2022, you can see that this video is the top video within this playlist, because what you want to do is that people who watch this video, you then want them to watch the next video. So my idea is that if someone watched this one, you know, if I were starting a cash cow YouTube channel in 2022, this is what I do, 7 steps. What is a video that I would put underneath that I think people would want to watch? So I put how to make money on YouTube without making videos 2022. So that's the idea with playlists in terms of organizing it correctly so that once one person watches one video, they're likely to watch the next video and then the next video and the next video and so on. So I recommend not making your playlist more than at least like 20 videos, but really take the time to organize your playlist in a very strategic way in which the top of the list should be videos that are in the algorithm, and then afterwards you would recommend or put another video underneath it that you think people would like to watch. So this is leverage number two, which I use so to put people in view loops. So the thing with my channel in particular with this one though is that it's done on a very micro scale. With some of my other channels, which are getting like over 200,000 views within the last 48 hours, I kid you not, this playlist thing nets me like an extra 10k views per day just because I organize it correctly, and that 10k views is extra money. So on a more micro level, you're not going to see it being as effective, but get used to the practice of playlisting your videos correctly so that when your channel does become macro or bigger, you'll see playlists starting to be more effective. So leverage number three is end screens. So how end screens will work is that often people simply just do best for viewer. So let me go on and open up an end screen real quick. So if I click on edit, then click on end screens, often people do the default best for viewer, which isn't a bad thing. At least you're still adding end screens. Again, I just believe in being very particular. So usually they'll have most recent upload and then best for viewer as their end screen videos. What I like to do is that I like to choose a very specific video, such as this one, right? So the idea is that if someone watched my video called I posted 4,000 thumbnails just to prove this, and it's about cash cow channels, I recommend a specific video in regards to if I were starting a cash cow channel on YouTube in 2022, this is what I do. Choose a specific video that you truly think that your audience would like to watch, because if you just do best for viewer, sometimes YouTube may not even get the correct video that is best suited for the video. And if you do most recent upload, sometimes your most recent upload isn't even related to this video. So this is what I teach amongst my team, in which I tell them, hey, take 2 seconds of your time to think about what viewers might want to watch next, so that after people finish watching this video, then they'll watch this video. I mean, again, another way of putting people into view loops. So this is leverage number 3. So to kind of go over what we've gone over so far, view loops. So people who click on your channel will see your channel name. People who click on, who watch one of your videos may watch another one of your videos in your playlist. People who watch one of your videos may also click on one of your videos on your end screens. So these are all view loops, right? And this is such good information. I hope you're really going to implement this on your channel, because I do this on my channels and it works very, very well. So now the next thing is pinned comments. So in regards to pinned comments, let me see if I did one recently. Let's click on this video here. So I should have had this ready prior to actually making this video, but I'm honestly just winging this video. I would say, dang, okay, so pinned comments. So to essentially put how pinned comments work, again, I'm very particular with pinned comments. So with a new video I usually post, I'll pin comment a video that I think the audience would like to watch next. So it's very synonymous to an end screen, except it's a comment. So it's just leveraging the pinned comment section to link another one of your videos that you think people would like to watch. So maybe this one has it. I'll check this one, but if I don't, I'll just create a pinned comment so that you guys can understand the idea. So with pinned comments, I think of it like advertising space that often goes underutilized. So I recommend that if you're not using pinned comments, do so, because it's just another way to link to your video. I was reading a really cool statistic before in regards to people who watch YouTube videos, about 40 to 60% of the time also read the first comment. Okay, so here's one. Yeah, because I mean, I usually go to the comments to read funny comments or to see what other people are saying. But something simple like this, you know, if someone watches, here's how much you can make with YouTube automation in 1 month, what is a video that I personally think they'd like to watch after they finish watching this video? And then I type it here. If I were starting another YouTube channel, this is what I do. Watch to find out. It's a pinned comment. It's just another way to get one viewer and turn them into another video, or gain another view for them. So this is me simply just leveraging view loops on YouTube. So that's leverage number 4. So now we have to kind of go over what we've gone over so far. We have the YouTube channel homepage, we have playlisting, we have pinned comments, and we have end screens. Right? So that's 4 ways to get people just circulating through your channel, watching as many views as possible, or many of your videos as possible. Now the last leverage I want to talk about is community boards. So community boards don't become available to you until you reach 1,000 subscribers. But as you can see, you just go to your community or YouTube channel homepage, and then you click on community. And then this is where you start promoting your videos. So you can see here, it's just another way for people to come across your videos. If you re-upload viral, you will go viral again. Here's the answer, and I can include 2 links. So this is how I do my com boards. And it's just another way to shout out new videos and get people to watch your videos. And then imagine so that if someone lands on your homepage, they see this link, they might even click it. But at the same time, your community posts are usually shown to the home or homepage feed of your subscribers, which is why I recommend that you use this to your advantage. So that's leverage number 5. So to kind of repeat, leverage number 5, use your community board, promote your videos on there, even make some polls to just get engagement going. Edit your channel homepage, you know, make it look good. Really think about that. If someone lands on this homepage, what would they want to click on next, right? Leverage number 3 is playlists. Playlists is a great way to put people in view loops. Leverage number 4 is pinned comments. because again, 40 to 60% of the people who watch YouTube videos usually read the first comment at the very least. So here you can see that I have a pinned comment leading to a video that I think people who watch this video would want to watch. And lastly, we have end screens. End screens, don't be lazy about them. Really think about that. If this is a good quality video and they finish the video, where can I direct them to next? Think about it and then choose that video. So this was one hefty of a video, honestly. I believe I wasn't expecting it to be this long, but if you watched up until the end here, thanks so much. Comment down below any comments, questions, or concerns that you have, and again, join my free Facebook group. I'm always helping out on there. So with that being said, that's all I have for this video, everyone. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.